Hey, what is going on at YouTube? This is the Gaming Guy, and today's video is going to be an unboxing. Now, I was meant to put this out on Tuesday, however, my package from week 15 did not arrive on time, so I've rescheduled it and waited for a couple of pieces to arrive so that we can unbox it today, which this will be out on Saturday. Let me know down below if your week 15 items arrived. I know week 16 has just happened, but let me know down below if your week 15 items have arrived, what you ordered, what you got, what colorway you got, and what size, or whether your item hasn't arrived yet. Other than that, let's get into this unboxing. We're going to start with the week 15 item, then finish with the other two. So yeah, let's get into this. Okay, so obviously, let me move the camera back a bit. There we go. So obviously we've got the two packages here that have arrived, and then my week 15 item, which is going to be the landscape hooded sweatshirt or landscape hoodie, which I'm probably just going to store until some point in time, or I'll rock it at some point, but it's just a bit hot at the moment for hoodies. And here are all these things. So obviously this week they sent out, or from last week, they sent out all of the Martin Luther King related items. My brother actually already gave me his ones that he got from purchasing the speaker. So now I've doubled up on these, which they're nice pieces. So the landscape hoodie. There's the obviously Supreme embroidered. Yeah, embroidered, that's nice. So yeah, it's a nice hoodie, it's a nice piece. Obviously it's another rip-off of a artist's piece of work, like the alphabet pieces that were released and had issues with. They got a cease and desist for that. I don't know if this will ever get one, but it's a nice piece nevertheless, so yeah. We're going to put that down and move on to these two. I don't know which one's in which, so let's go with the smaller one first. So these are going to be two tees. I don't know which order they will be in, but this is one that I will open second. This is the one we're opening first then. They sent a box logo sticker with it, which is nice. Okay, this piece is one that I've had my eye on. It's from this season, but it's the cards tee. I saw a picture of someone wearing one, and they were standing next to the actual cards piece of like artwork, and it really caught my eye, and I just overall just like the piece. And yeah, obviously the back text that says July 15th of February to July 29th, 2018. It's a really nice piece. I got it in navy. There's not really much else to say about it, but it's just a really dope piece. I got it off a guy on Facebook, and he needed his one to sell, or that to sell, so that then he could buy the exact same tee but in medium or small. So I thought I'd cop it. I've wanted the tee. It was basically retail, so it just worked out. The second piece I saw, because people were saying it was a steal, it's like 7 years old, 6 or 7 years old, and overall I just like the piece. It's a long sleeve, so yeah, this piece I just wanted because it just looked really decent. So this is a 2011 blue paisley long sleeve, which, as you can see, is pretty cool. So yeah, I just thought in general it was just a great piece. At first the guy had someone pending to sell it to who was a friend of theirs. Obviously they flaked on him in the end, and I was fortunate enough to get it. But yeah, it was like literally £50, so same applies for the cards tee. So they were basically nothing compared to like their retails. They were basically nothing, so I think they were pretty decent pickups, and I've had my eye on the cards tee. I saw the paisley come up, so I just went for it. And yeah, they'll be stored away. The cards tee will be worn. I'm sure I'll be wearing the paisley at some point. I just need a pair of blue shorts or something. But yeah, those are going to be my latest pickups. That's pretty much it. That's going to cover this unboxing. If you enjoyed, like, be much appreciated. I was going to have my brother as part of this. However, he's been busy as of recent times, so I should have a video out with him very shortly, maybe next week or the week after. Number one. Landscape hoodie. Don't do that. Crack. Don't when I Supreme. Landscape hoodie. Yeah. Blue paisley. Don't do that. Blue paisley.
You got it?
Yeah.
50 quid?
Yeah.
When it come out?
2011.
It's quite cool, yeah?
Yeah, I picked up the card stick.
How much was that?
50.
Oh,
It's retail, basically.
yeah, nice.
And that's the end.
Yay.
But yeah, other than that, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, like, be much appreciated. What do you think of the pieces? Are they decent pickups? What do you think of the hoodie? And did your SS15, did your week 15 piece arrive? Other than that, I'll see you tomorrow or Monday for another video. Peace.